Welcome to RTR. My name is Dr. Kim McKnight, and I have the privilege of serving as the Director of the Center for Teacher Leadership and the Executive Director of the RTR Teacher Residency Program here at Virginia Commonwealth University. Throughout my career, I've been deeply committed to the development and empowerment of educators, and I'm honored to lead two initiatives that play a critical role in shaping the future of education in our communities. The Center for Teacher Leadership has long been a beacon for advancing the professional growth of educators across Virginia. Our mission is simple but powerful: to elevate the teaching profession and ensure that every student has access to excellent educators. At the heart of this mission is the RTR Teacher Residency Program, which stands as one of our most transformative initiatives. The RTR Teacher Residency Program was launched in 2011 with a clear vision to provide a rigorous, supportive pathway for aspiring teachers who are passionate about making a difference in high-need schools. Over the past 13 years, RTR has grown into a cornerstone of our efforts to address educational inequities, placing highly skilled and dedicated teachers where they are needed most. If you're considering applying to RTR as a resident or mentor, you're looking at an opportunity to be part of something truly impactful. As a resident, you'll receive hands-on training, mentorship, and support that will not only prepare you to be an effective teacher, but also to thrive in challenging environments. As a mentor, you'll have the chance to shape the next generation of educators, sharing your expertise and insights while also growing in your own practice. At RTR, we are guided by a culture of excellence, equity, and collaboration. Our mission is to prepare teachers who are not just ready to enter the classroom, but who are equipped to be leaders in their schools and advocates for their students. Our vision is a future where every student, regardless of their zip code, has access to a high-quality education delivered by teachers who are passionate, prepared, and persistent. To give you a sense of the impact we're making, consider this. Over 85% of our graduates remain in high-need schools after their residency, demonstrating a deep commitment to the communities they serve. Additionally, schools that partner with RTR see a significant increase in teacher retention rates, with a reduction in turnover by up to 50%. These numbers speak to the program's effectiveness in not only preparing teachers, but in sustaining a strong, stable teaching force in the schools that need it most. In closing, I invite you to join us at RTR. Whether as a resident or a mentor, together we can continue to build a future where every student has the opportunity to learn from passionate, skilled educators. Thank you for your time and your commitment to making a difference in education.